Okay, so this is a judgment-free zone. So if you got judgment, leave it at the door or click on another video, okay? But today I'm going to show you what this hideous closet is looking like, because I gotta do some cleaning and organizing, and I just want you to see the before and after. Not that there's gonna be a drastic change, but there's going to be a change, okay? This is the current state of my closet. Yes. This is all the fabric and the bolts back here. I don't know if I showed you this before, but there are bolts all back there. It's the front row. I have shoes that I've taken off the shelf and didn't put them back. This is a stack of fabric that my daughter started putting on the bolts for me. And you guys, that's 24 pieces of fabric. And look how much space that's taking up. Not a whole lot at all. So I'm anxious to get these all on the boat. Here is more fabric that I've purchased from Walmart and I haven't put away. More shoes, more fabric. There is also more fabric here, and this is the bin that I use for my patterns. Then guys, I do have to put this laundry up. There's a pile of clothes that needs to go to the dry cleaner, so that is what I'm going to work on today, and you guys can join me. So what I'm thinking as well is that I'll kind of rearrange how I have my shelves. I think I'm going to move my shoes down to the bottom, switching it out with the fabric. That way the shoes are more accessible to me, since I do need those every day. Then I won't have to ask my husband to come get them down for me. So in one of my latest videos, I was telling you how I started wrapping my fabric with cake boards, and I knew I couldn't go to Hobby Lobby at any given point and get as many as I needed at one time, and I was not about to run all over the world trying to find all these cake boards. So I hopped on Amazon and I put in 10 by 12 cake boards, and I found a pack of 100 for $65, and that was a much better deal than buying 6 in a pack at $4.99 each. So here's my box. I haven't even opened these yet, so let's cut into this. There are 4 packs in here, which means each pack has 25 boards in it, because this is a pack of 100. Alright, let's get rolling. Now my daughter doesn't think 100 additional cake boards is going to be enough for all of my fabric. And I was like, you think? She's like, no mama, well, we're gonna see. I only have 100. I've already done 24, so that's 124. So we're gonna see how many pieces of fabric we can get onto these cake boards, and we'll see if I need to order more. Fingers crossed that I don't. So it is currently 3:49 p.m. I have left the house to get something to cook for dinner. My husband has made it home, and my daughter and I finished putting all of my fabric on the boats just before he made it home. It looks 1,000 times better. I used all 100 cake boards to wrap the fabric that I could wrap. Exactly. I still have fabric in the bins, and as I was doing some other cleaning, I realized that I still have fabric in my sewing bag, in my sewing machine bags, and near my sewing table. So I'm not quite sure how many more boards I need, but when I get home I'm gonna crack open that bead just to see how many more I need, and weigh my options of should I go to Hobby Lobby or make another order with Amazon. We'll see. Okay, y'all, so I could not be angrier. Look at what I just found when I was trying to see how much fabric I still had hiding. If you all remember, in January I made my birthday dresses, and one of the dresses was supposed to have lace sleeves. It was supposed to be this lace with these polka dots on it. I'm going to try to get you a better picture. And I just thought maybe I was tripping and I didn't buy the fabric. But here it is. And all because I am so unorganized and I have fabric like just everywhere. I mean, there is fabric. My sewing bag. Y'all, I don't even want to open the other sewing bag because I'm afraid of what I might find in there. Y'all, this all kind of stuff. I have just stuff. And some of this is like things I need to fix. And man, look at this, y'all. There's fabric in here. Some of this has already been cut and it's just there. You know what? I might as well just go ahead and do that. There's fabric here, you guys. Fabric. Like I said, a lot of that is scraps, but there are some pretty good pieces of fabric in there. So I definitely have to order more cake boards and get the rest of my fabric on them. But let me show you. Whew. So I definitely have to get myself together. That makes like no sense at all. So I am going to order more cake boards. This is what I've done so far. Prepare to be amazed. So that's all the organization I can give you guys today. Pray my strength that I can sew through all of this fabric that I have. I'm really committed to not buying any more fabric because looking at that almost made me sick. I felt like I've been committing a sin. Like I'm being fabric greedy. So y'all, I'm gonna get this together and it's gonna be alright. Y'all keep sewing.